Top 10 News Headlines. OPPN doing Gundagardi. India not a Dharmashala. BJP on protests against Sir in Parliament. Bhartiyata, only solution to all problems world facing today, said RSS Chief Bhagwat. NHRC camp sitting, Odisha's Chief Seki, DGP, sensitized on crime against women, children. Historic decision by Delhi government, winning gold medal in Olympics will get 7 crore rupees. No more corruption, Chief Minister dismisses supply inspector, taking concrete action against corruption. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi has dismissed Babilta Behera, former supply inspector of Kaniha block in Angul district. Babilta is currently working as a supply inspector in the office of the district supply officer, Baripda. Big changes in IS ranks, Chanchal Rana to BMC Commissioner. Odisha Puri, parking chaos, two youths caught on charges of misbehaving with young women. In Odisha Malkangiri, truck driver arrested for raping minor girl. Niti Aayog adds 11 Odisha blocks to aspirational program. Odisha CM dismisses medical officer on corruption charge. Majhi has dismissed Karunakar Raut, a senior medical officer serving at the Mental Health and Cancer Care Department at Bhadrak District Headquarters Hospital, said the statement issued by the Chief Minister's Office, CMO. The Vigilance Department had registered a corruption case against Raut when he was serving as a medical officer at Madhuban Community Health Centre in Jajpur district. Departmental proceedings were also initiated against him, it said. President of India presents Scouts Guides Rovers Rangers Award certificates for the years 2018 to 2021. In Odisha Kandujhar district, a snapshot of the health situation in the Chief Minister's own district. A patient dies due to lack of ambulance service. Tankadar Patra from the hilltop area of Kiribur was brought to the Badbil Community Health Centre under Badbil Police Station due to his poor health. After primary treatment, the doctor advised him to be taken from Badbil Community Health Centre to the Keonjhar main hospital as his health condition became critical. However, due to lack of ambulance service, he could not be shifted to the Keonjhar district headquarter hospital in time, and he died tragically at the Badbil Health Centre. Odisha Bargarh district, 1 dead after tractor overturns. In Salsulia village under Bhatli block of Bargarh district, a farmer was ploughing his field with the help of a tractor when the tractor overturned due to some reason. The driver, Lambadar Sa, 1937, was crushed under the tractor and died on the spot. Odisha Angul, a school-level competition has been organized by the Aluminum Mazdoor Sangh. Odisha Dhenkanal district, effigies of PCC President Bhakta Das and Rahul Gandhi burnt due to allegation against Congress Youth President Udit Pradhan. Under the leadership of Dhenkanal district BJP Yuva Morcha President Mahadeep Jashowant Mahima, they staged a protest against the Congress near the local Bharat Mata statue and burned effigies of Bhakta Das and Congress national leader Rahul Gandhi, who tweets from Delhi on every incident, demanding the resignation of PCC President Bhakta Das. Odisha Angul district, Talcher is neglected in every aspect due to lack of leadership. Human Rights Watch holds meeting on this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe for more content like this.